Hello class 4th, welcome you all in the science class. Today we will study the remaining part of lesson 3. In this video you will study the excretory system because already we have studied the digestive system in the first part. So let's start with the introduction. It is the introduction of the excretory system. Our body produces many kinds of waste that have to be removed from the body. So the organs that work together to remove waste from our body form the excretory system. So next is the definition of excretion. So the process by which the waste are removed from our body is called the excretion. The organs of excretory system includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. These are the organs which combine together to form the excretory system. In other words, you may say that these organs do the function of excretion, means removal of waste production. So see, this is the picture of human excretory system. It forms the urine. Urine is the waste product produced in our body. In this picture you can see there are two kidneys, two ureter, one bladder. Bladder is also known as the urinary bladder, and in last there is urethra. So we will study one by one about all. So see, this is the picture of kidney. Actually I should say two kidneys. So one kidney is in the left side and the second kidney is in the right side. The work of the kidney is very specific because it filters the blood and forms the urine. Children, have you seen the bean seed, means same ka beej? The shape of kidneys are same as the bean seed. Our both kidneys have a lots of small cells known as nephron. Nephron do the work of filters. Actually, blood circulates in all parts of the body and it transports many important material to each and every part of the body. Blood collects all the waste produces in different organs and becomes impure. So, for the proper functioning of our body, it is very important that blood should be clean. Means there is the need of its filtration. So, kidneys are those organs which filters the blood. After filtering the blood, blood becomes pure and passes again in the body for their functions. And the impurity which gets filtered by the kidneys are known as the urine. It means urine contains harmful substances that are formed inside our body. As you can see in the picture, after the kidneys there are two tubes named as the ureter. So in this portion we will study about the ureter. So see, this is the pipe. It means ureters are thin tubes that transport, means they do the function of transportation. They will transport the urine which was formed in the kidneys. As you have already studied in the last slide that kidneys produces the urine. So the urine passes by the ureter. So ureter is the tube for transporting the urine. In other words, you may tell that ureter do the work of transporting urine which was formed in the kidneys to the bladder, that is urinary bladder. Again see the picture, you can see that after ureter there is bladder. So now the urine passes in the bladder. As you can see that bladder is like a bag. So let's see about it. Urine was formed in the kidney. It was passes through the ureter and gone to the bladder. Now bladder stored it. It is like the bag. It collects the urine before being passed out of the body. जब तक हमारी बॉडी से बाहर यूरिन नहीं निकलता, ब्लैडर का वर्क है कि वो इसको स्टोर करके रखता है. So next organ of the human excretory system is the urethra. You can see in the picture that it is a small opening. So urine is passed out of the body through the urethra. Urethra is the small opening by which we all humans remove the urine from our body to the outside. You can understand it. After every 2 or 3 hours, you feel to go washroom for removal of urine. Urethra is the organ which help you to remove the urine, which was collected into the bladder. Children, I think now you could understand the function of the human excretory system. The next which we have to study is about the healthy eating habits. To remain healthy and strong, it is important to follow healthy eating habits. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप healthy और strong हो, तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, हमेशा आपको healthy eating habits follow करनी चाहिए. These habits leads to proper digestion of food and proper excretion. If you will eat good, then your body will be fit, your digestion will be proper, and after the digestion, your excretion will also be proper. So let's see that what are some healthy eating habits. So first one is we must wash our hands properly before and after eating food. Definitely children, if your hand will be clean, then you will be safe from diseases. That's why it is needed to wash your hands before and after every meal. Second is we should eat slowly. Sometimes I have seen that children are swallowing the food very fast. If they will not chew the food properly, then there will be the problem in their digestion. So follow it from today only. The next one is we should eat our food in a calm manner. Calm means शांति से. खाना खाते समय बात नहीं करना चाहिए. Elders always suggest you that during eating do not talk. It is because it can happen that while you are swallowing the food and still talking, it can happen that the food which was ready to go in esophagus can go in the windpipe, which is the part of respiratory system. So it will be problem for you. So remember, always during the eating process you should be calm and should pay attention on your food only. The next one is we should eat healthy and nutritious food. Why? Because healthy and nutritious food contains all the components of the food. And avoid junk food. Junk food is not good for your health. The next is we should drink sufficient water daily, but we should not drink a lot of water while eating. Now, when you have eaten the food, after half an hour you should drink the water. And if you will not follow it, the digestive juices which were producing in your body for the digestion process will get dilute. Digestive juices are like the chemical, and if you will consume a lot of water, the water will get mixed with that juices और juice जो है वो dilute हो जाएगा. Now that juice will not work properly. So it is very important that during eating the food, you should not drink a lot of water. Children, I think today you could understand the functioning of our excretory system, but for making it more understanding and more enjoyable, I am giving you an additional video along with this video. So see and enjoy.
Kidneys are a pair of reddish bean-shaped organs. The blood collects the waste from all over the body, and when that blood flows through the kidneys collect these waste from the blood and form urine. You know, 95% of urine is just water. The kidneys are formed of small nephrons which filter blood. From the kidneys, the urine goes into two tubes, the ureters, and then it gets stored into the urinary bladder for a short time. It is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of a muscular tube called the urethra. This process of eliminating harmful substances from the body of living organism is called excretion. In short, the human excretory system comprises of kidneys, which are a pair of reddish bean-shaped organs. Two tubes called ureters, a urinary bladder that stores urine, and a urethra which passes out the urine.
Thank you, children.